Hello students, welcome to my science lab class. This is Shumi Roy from Techno India Group Public School, Shiliguri, and today we are going to introduce our first class of science lab. Today in this class we will discuss about different materials and equipments which are available in science laboratory. So as we know, there are different materials and equipments present or used in science laboratory. We will discuss about those one by one. The first thing which we are going to discuss are glasswares. So there are many types of glassware which you will find in laboratory. One of those is test tube. A test tube, it is a tube-like glassware opened at one end and closed at another. It has a diameter of the size of a finger and it is 10 centimeter in length. It is used for conducting chemical reactions in it. It must be clean and dry for use. And after use, it must be cleaned and kept inverted in test tube stand. One more glassware is the beaker. It is a cylindrical glassware of different sizes. For example, 100 ml, 250 ml, 500 ml. You can find different types of cylindrical glasswares, beakers here in the figure. So, they are used for many purposes such as boiling of liquid, sometimes storing, sometimes transferring the liquid. The next glassware is conical flask. It is a conical shaped glassware used for storing, boiling or transferring liquid from one container to another. It has many more uses which we will learn during our activities. The next glassware is a funnel. It is a conical shaped glassware with a stem or tube. It is used to pour the liquid in small containers like bottles and in filtration also. So there are many uses of this glassware. Now we will learn about other instruments. The next set of instrument is measuring instrument. One of such instrument is measuring cylinder. It is a cylindrical glassware of different volumes used for measuring liquids. It has a small scale marked on it. We must see at right angle for correct measurement of the liquid. They are available in different sizes. The next measuring instrument is The next material is tripod stand. It is a stand with 3 legs and a triangular frame. It is used to keep a beaker or a conical flask over it, as shown in figure. The next is a wire gauge. It is a wire mesh with an asbestos sheet attached to it. It is kept over the tripod stand to keep beaker flask before heating. We cannot directly heat the beaker, so we firstly use this wire gauge, then we heat the beaker. The last instrument which we found is a slide. It is a small rectangular piece of glass slide used to keep small objects and observe it under the microscope. So there are many more equipments which we found in the laboratories. But these are the few important instruments which we found in laboratory. Now let us recapitulate what we have learned in this class. Firstly, we have learned about glasswares. So under that we have learned about test tube, beaker, conical flask and funnel. We have also learned about measuring instruments like measuring cylinder, pipettes and thermometer. We have learned about magnifying instruments like hand lens and microscope. And at last we have learned about other materials and instruments which are available in laboratory like a test tube stand, a test tube holder, a gas burner or spirit lamp, chemicals, tripod stand, wire gauge and slide. So with this we end our class today. Thank you students for joining my